Now students, open page number 9. The use of different manual and computerized devices and methods for processing data is called information technology. Computers have brought about a great change in the field of information technology. Beta, when we are talking about different manual or computerized devices, computerized system, so it means that we can process data. When we are processing data in a manual system or in a computerized system, so we call that method an information technology, right? Now we are going to learn that what are the advantages of computerized system. Computerized systems have made manual system outdated in various places. This means that manual systems are being replaced by computers because of their many advantages. Some of the advantages that computers processes over manual systems are described below. Beta, now we are going to discuss that what are the advantages of using computerized system instead of manual system. So first of all, the advantage of computerized system is speed. Fast processing is a key feature of computerized system. They can process data in seconds. If the processing speed is sufficiently high, then the same functions can be carried out in microseconds. Manual processing cannot even begin to compete with computers when it comes to speed. Students, first of all, we human beings also need something that can have their own speed, that can do the work uh, in a seconds, in a minutes, right? So it means that computerized system instead of manual system works very quickly, and it can work at a very high speed. For example, if I'm working at my computer and it is taking only 10 minutes to complete my desired work, and and my friend is working the same kind of work on a manual system, and he or she is taking 1 hour or 2 hours to complete that work, it means that the speed of computerized system is higher than the manual system. Number second is accuracy. Accuracy is a feature of all computerized systems. Data precision is extremely high. Computers can calculate figures to smallest degree, enabling users to depend on them for sensitive calculations. An example is that of the supercomputers which control space missions. A minor rounding error could result in the explosion of the space shuttle or satellites in outer space. Therefore, accurate calculations are very important. Beta, when we are talking about accuracy, so accurate calculations are performed in computerized system. बेटा हमारे जब भी हम अगर computerized system की बात करें तो accurate results जो हैं हमें वो provide करते हैं कौन, computerized system. बेटा चाहे वो बिल्कुल ही smallest degree से हम बात करें, small value की बात करें, या बहुत बहुत बड़ी large values या बहुत बड़ी बड़ी large degree की बात करें, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि जब भी हम कंप्यूटर पे वो वर्क करेंगे तो वो क्या होगा बेटा, एक्यूरेटली वर्क प्रोवाइड करेगा हमें हमेशा. अब इन्होंने बेटा एक एग्जांपल दी है सुपर कंप्यूटर्स की, जो बेटा हम यूज करते हैं स्पेस मिशंस में. स्पेस के लिए हम मतलब जो आउटर स्पेस है उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, सुपर कंप्यूटर. अब बेटा अगर उसमें बेटा हल्की सी छोटा सा माइनर भी एरर आएगा तो क्या होगा कि उसमें जो है स्पेस में क्या हो जाएगा, एक्सप्लोजन भी हो सकता है छोटी सी वैल्यू की वजह से. ओके, सैटेलाइट में भी हो सकता है, आउटर स्पेस में कहीं भी, मतलब अगर हल्की सी भी कोई एरर आएगा तो क्या होगा कि एक्सप्लोजन भी हो सकता है. इसलिए जो है बेटा कैलकुलेशंस हमेशा क्या होनी चाहिए, हमें हमेशा एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात याद रखनी चाहिए कि कैलकुलेशन एक्यूरेट होनी चाहिए. Now coming to efficiency. Efficiency is another common feature of computerized systems. This results in error-free processing at high speeds. This kind of processing is a key feature of most processing and is visible in many applications. Computers make fewer mistakes than human beings and work for longer period of time without feeling tired. Now, students, here when we are talking about efficiency means that working with the short period of time and working with accurate with accurate work. But it can also efficiency means that when we are working and we cannot get tired, it means that we are working efficiently. For example, if I told you that I am working, I myself is working on a computer and it is just taking 5 to 10 minutes to complete the desired work or desired project. And my friend at the same time has started the work manually and he is taking uh, 1 hour or 2 hours to complete that work. It means that yes, he will get tired because he's a human, he's working by himself, he will get tired. But we as I am working on the key on a key computer, the computer never gets tired, the computer never feels tired. Okay, because it's a machine and it can work for a longer period of time. Now variety. Computers have advanced capabilities that enable them to process data in a creative ways. Data can be processed and displayed in various ways so that it is simpler for the user to understand. They also have greater memory and storage capacities than manual systems. Numerical data can easily be presented in the form of graphs that are easy to understand. Cricket scorecards are displayed in the form to show the run rates of both teams. Now, beta, when we are talking about variety, the advantage of computerized system is that it provides us with the data with the different types of variety. Okay, how it can provide us in a different way, beta, when when we are doing the work and when you're, as you all know that in this pandemic you are having your online classes, and how we are giving you assignment, how we are making you write in your notebooks, that how we are reading for you, we are using this technology. I can show you, as you can also see on the screen, your computer book you can see on the screen, your science book on the screen. And when we are doing the work at the school, so we uses whiteboard to complete the work. But right now, as we have no whiteboard and you guys are taking your classes at your home and we are also conducting at our home or our school, so we are using the screens to share the work. We are making you write, we are letting you write on the screen. We have prepared the PDFs, we have prepared the slideshows so that you can also work, you can also see that what's the difference between manual system and what's the difference between the computerized system. अब बेटा वैरायटी का मतलब ही क्या होता है कि हम अपने डेटा को क्रिएटिव वेज में कितना अच्छी तरह प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं या डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, चार्ट्स यूज करते हैं बेटा, ग्राफ्स यूज कर सकते हैं हम अपने डेटा को फॉर्म करने के लिए. ओके, आई थिंक पेज नंबर 9 इज क्लियर टू यू.